Hello and welcome back to the StrottSHOW. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs, your San Antonio-based boutique marketing firm with everything you need, from website to SEO to, social media management, logo design, and anything else you can think of. We're going to take a different approach with the StrottSHOW this week. We're going to, instead of me just reading the blog post to you, I'm going to summarize a bit and walk through the blog as we go. So today, we're going to crack open Google's Core Web Vitals. These are fancy words with big SEO impact. These metrics can make your website Google's darling or its doormat. And I've got the rundown, and ideally, a few laughs in 3 minutes flat. So let's go. So what are Core Web Vitals? These are Google's way of grading your site's user experience, speed, responsiveness, and stability. There are 3 stars here: LCP, INP, and CLS. First, largest contentful page. LCP is how fast your biggest page chunk loads. It's like a hero image. Google wants it under 2.5 seconds, or your site's a digital dawdler. That is right. So here's a nice example. Our next is our interaction to next page. This is how quickly your site reacts to clicks. Under 200 milliseconds is the goal. Blink fast, or it's like your site ghosting its users. And finally, last cumulative layout shift. Ever try clicking something and the page jumps? That's CLS chaos. You're on a Whole Foods website and you accidentally click buy Whole Foods like Jeff Bezos did all those years ago. Keep it below 0.1 so your site stays put, not dancing like it's on a sugar high, like a 3-year-old in a candy store. So why should you care about this? Since 2020, these are SEO rankings. Good content is still the most important thing, but a clunky site won't win you any favors. Happy users, happy ranks. Simple math. So how do you fix these things, right, when they go wrong? How do we fix them? Just throw on through these. The link to this blog will be in the show notes. Practical tips. Check your scores with Page Speed Insights. Plug in your URL. Get the truth. If you have a slow LCP, compress your images. Use a CDN and think turbo mode. You got a laggy INP. Lots of acronyms today. Trim heavy JavaScript. You got a wild CLS. Lock elements with CSS. And boom, Google's impressed. Users are thrilled. So here's our recap. Fast LCP, snappy INP, stable CLS. Nail these and your SEO's golden. That's it. Short and sweet. It's really not that short and sweet, though, as you have heard from me many times. So audit our site using the tool found on any page of our website. There is the free SEO audit right there. Contact Strottner Designs, and we can help you make sure that all of these factors are as optimized as humanly possible so that you get the best possible. Let us know what you think about this new video format. We hope you've enjoyed yourself. Hope you've enjoyed us. Me, in particular, Michael Carroll with Strottner Designs. See you next time, and be good. Yeah, be good. Definitely be careful.